I'm Gary LaRude at Microwave Journal, and we're here at the IMS 2021 International Microwave Symposium in Atlanta. I'm talking with Greg Baker, the CEO of Altum RF. Greg, it's great to be out. It's great to see you.
Thank you. Yeah, it's great to see you, Gary.
I think the last time you and I spoke was in Boston a couple years ago at IMS. You had just recently formed the company and you were getting organized.
Yes.
So tell us what's happened in the last couple years, including the pandemic.
Sure. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, it's hard to believe it's been 2 years, but we've been very busy the last 2 years building the infrastructure of the company and adding some to our team. We're about 20 people now. I think
Nice.
At the beginning we're less than 10. So we've been improving our infrastructure on the test side, design side, getting all our tools and models online, and really working behind the scenes to build a nice portfolio of products.
So remind us where your different locations are, because you're a pretty global company.
We are. We're very spread out. We're actually headquartered in Eindhoven, the Netherlands, and so we're a European company. We do have a sales and marketing team in Richardson, Texas, in the Dallas area, and then our biggest location is in Sydney, Australia, and that's our high-frequency design team.
And because of the pandemic, you're representing the company at IMS.
That's right. Yeah, I was here yesterday putting the booth together, and I told you our booth got stuck in customs, so we had to improvise a bit. But,
well, you did a great job.
Yeah, it's a short notice.
So again, as I recall from our last conversation, you were kind of focusing on different infrastructure markets. Give us an update on the kind of markets that you're targeting.
Sure. Yeah, we're focusing a lot on higher frequency microwave to millimeter wave applications. And we're looking at some SATCOM is a big area, Ka-band with all the global, the low Earth orbit and SATCOM on the move type applications. We're also focused on aerospace and defense, radar type applications, telecom, 5G, and then the backhaul like for E-band. And then test and measurement, which is similar to aerospace and defense where you need high performance, broadband, high linear type devices.
And how have you seen the markets kind of withstanding the pandemic?
The demand is definitely there. 5G is with the increasing bandwidth and the need for the backhaul and front haul applications, and just the technology growth in general has been very strong. It's just been a little more difficult with the pandemic. We haven't been able to go see customers directly. So one thing we've done, we do a lot of video chat, when we can, and with the customers we're established with, but we've been adding sales channels, so that's more local, the local relationships and feet on the street. So that's been one of our focuses, is to add more sales channels to connect with customers.
Yeah. Well, being a fabless semiconductor company, you can pretty much cover the waterfront in terms of process technologies. Where are you really focusing with your products these days?
Yeah, so being a small company, we have to have more compelling leading edge products, so we can't just follow the market. We have to try to get ahead in some areas and be kind of specific with where we target. So we've been focusing a lot on millimeter wave GaN, 0.15 micron GaN to go up to 40 gig, the higher power. We've also been using GaAs to go up to like 110 gigahertz. So we have a lot of new products, not just the E-band that I mentioned. We do have products going up to 110 that we're working on, and that's kind of 6G, early 6G type applications for test and measurement. And then also there's some defense applications in that range.
Well, IMS is a great opportunity to showcase new products, talk to customers, even though the attendance is down a little bit. What are you featuring at this show, and what are you trying to highlight?
Sure, we have two main product areas that we're featuring. We have the E-band, which is, we have a low band, the 71 to 76, and then the 81 to 86. And that's a 1 watt part, so that's best in class, best in industry for the power level, and that's just starting to sample. And that's using a 0.1 micron gallium arsenide process. And then we also have a Ka-band, a 6 and 12 watt power amplifier. And right now that's available in die, and that's using a 0.15 micron GaN process. And so those are very compelling and interesting products. We will also be offering a surface mount version of that, and that's following a couple of months later.
Well, those are good market opportunities, so you should be seeing some good demand.
We're seeing a lot of interest, and it's nice when customers reach out to you when they see stuff. And also we've been working with the Microwave Journal to try to promote some things. So that's also, with the pandemic, a good way for us to connect to industry.
Right. Well, Greg, it's great to see you. Appreciate your time today. Hope you have a good show, and also appreciate your creative skills.
Okay, thanks, Gary.
Thanks.
Thank you.
This is Gary LaRude from the International Microwave Symposium in Atlanta.